You won't believe this amazing tools that's so awesome and worth it to buy right now. This is a car tire repair tools kit with rubber strips, tubeless tire, puncture studding plug set for truck, motorcycle. Get extra 79% off discount with our link in this video descriptions. Buy right now, start from $0.99. The car tire repair tools kit with rubber strips is a comprehensive set designed to help you quickly and effectively repair punctured tubeless tires on your car, truck, or motorcycle. Here's a detailed review of this handy tool set. Durable construction. The tools in this kit are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The rubber strips are specially designed to provide a reliable and secure seal, while the tools themselves are sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Easy to use. Even if you're not a seasoned mechanic, you'll find this kit easy to use. The tools are ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, and the step-by-step instructions make the repair process straightforward and hassle-free. Versatile application. This kit is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even bicycles. Whether you're on the road or at home, you can quickly repair punctures and get back on the road in no time. Comprehensive set. The kit includes everything you need to repair a punctured tire, including a T-handle insert tool, a T-handle spiral probe tool, rubber strips, and a storage case. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the tools necessary for a successful repair. Compact and portable. The kit comes in a compact and lightweight case, making it easy to store in your vehicle or carry with you on the go. Whether you're on a road trip or simply commuting to work, you'll have peace of mind knowing you have the tools to handle a flat tire.